Good morning. My name is Domenico De Luca, CEO and founder of Tolemaica. Tolemaica is owner of patented technology to certificate with legal value every digital data by photo, video, audio, documents, digital contract, etc. by smartphone and other devices like drone, action cam, satellite, etc. This technology is covered by patent in every part of the world, and the certification is a multi-certification because we use the certification authority of many parts in the world, like USA, Europe, etc., etc. The current step is the certification of e-commerce by the certificated photo and certificate for used products and certificate documents for selling. And it works in this way.
The new patented IAC, Instant Automatic Certification technology, is just born. Photos, sounds, and any data you capture can say a lot. The problem is to give it a legal value with certified date and location, so that nobody can dispute that the event took place before a certain moment or in a different place. The IAC patented solution finally overcomes the problem in a simple and intuitive way. In fact, with an instant and automatic storage, you can legally certify your data and definitively prevent any disputes on truthfulness of that moment. The data collection takes place directly from your device. Its date and location is certified in various ways, and a certificate is returned to the user or to the company's network. IAC is a technology for smartphones, PDAs, drones, action cams, satellites, cameras, scanners, and specific APIs that fit other devices and applications. The analysis and selection of unchangeable data can take place with artificial intelligence for a valuable, legal, and always available archive with a simple click. Thanks to this, today, we can ensure a huge and customizable range of patented services in order to legally certify the date and location of photos with DataClick, videos with data video, voice recordings with data sound, phone call recordings with data call, copyright protection with data biblos, chats with data chat, online contracts with facial recognition with DataDoc, and much more, but always with legal value. Simple and effective solutions for forensic evidence and professional activities, construction abuses, infrastructure and territory monitoring, WIP control, insurance frauds, commercial contracts, measurement of utilities consumption, store, freight and logistics control, and so on. Tolemaica has grown thanks to its copyrights, the international patents, Campania New Steel Incubator, funds granted by the Campania region and the European Union, and to the partnership with the Japanese giant NTT Data, today shareholder of our company. Thanks to our prestigious business partners, the patented IAC solution is spreading rapidly, and with it the number of invitations in order to introduce the technology to international markets. IAC is a business and a patented service, born now and growing rapidly, mainly based on variable costs and therefore extremely scalable. IAC patented technology. Today, giving legal value to your data is possible, automatically and instantaneously. Tolemaica. If it exists, you can certify it.
Okay, and our last step is now to use our technology for the new generation of certificate stablecoin like CertCoin, CertToken, and certification the flow of data between two different blockchain networks. We are looking here finance and commercial partnership, and thank you for your attention.